My name is Anitta Tumainiel. I'm from Dar es Salaam, Tanzania. I came to Apollo Hyderabad, India for medical checkup. Just as a woman, I want to do a medical checkup to understand what are the issues that I'll be facing in the future or what I'm currently facing. So during the review, I was found with possible fibroids. And I know that previously I did have fibroids that they were causing me a lot of pains. So that was also a point of contact. So once that was found, I asked for a gynecologist, and happily I was given Dr. Rooma Sinha to investigate my case. So once I was with her discussing my situation and my past and what are the experiences that I was having, she advised me because of my age. Yes, there's that fear of removing the uterus, which is the high possibility. And to me, that was the greatest fear because I didn't want at this stage to have that removed. But she went ahead and gave me a confidence that it is possible to keep your uterus, but to remove the fibroids which are causing you pain by proposing to do a robotic myomectomy surgery. And she discussed with me the positive feedback from other customers and what will be the negative impact. So weighing the positivity and the negative and considering my past, and I've traveled a long way to come here, she helped me to make a quick decision and decided to do the surgery next day. Luckily enough, my tests, which were done during the medical checkup, they were all in, so it was a quick decision to arrive into that. So post into doing the surgery, the day of the surgery, that was, it was scary, but the good thing about Apollo Hyderabad is that the staff, they give you confidence. They are there with you. They held your hand. So they were with me on that morning prior to the surgery. Dr. Rooma Sinha was with me. She calmed down my fears with the surgery, considering this is the first time that I'm doing surgery and I'm away from the family. So the surgery went smooth, seamless due to her expertise. It took about, I think, 3 hours. Everything was beautifully done, and the recovery was beautiful. I stayed in the hospital for two days. Great 24 hours care from the doctors, nurses, and the hospital staff. Food, the international desk was around the clock to make sure that everything is okay, I'm comfortable, and I feel better. So 2 days after the surgery, I was released. I also had an opportunity to have a home care to take care of me for the 2 days. And yeah, my recovery has been smooth. So a week later, here I am, I'm walking. Nobody knows that I've done a surgery, and I'm perfectly happy and very fine. Thank you.
Thank you, Anitta, for sharing your story. But before I tell anything about Anitta, I have to put this across that Anitta is a very brave person. She traveled all the way from Dar es Salaam alone, and having found that she had this fibroid problem, although she knew she was having this problem for some time, she took a very bold decision after talking to us that she would like to get the surgery done away from her family. And so, as she mentioned, I think as doctor, for a very few patients, we become both the attendant and the doctors for them. So we are very happy to take care of you, Anitta. I'm glad she took that call because she had multiple fibroids and that was causing her severe pain, bleeding, often going into anemia. And this is one thing I would like through Anitta to tell to many women, and especially for women in Dar es Salaam and in your area, is because there is a high predilection of fibroid, don't ignore. Surgery is the right answer, and having fibroid does not mean hysterectomy needs to be done. We removed about 7 fibroids for you, but still saved the uterus. So that's very, very important for all women to understand at any stage of your life. If you want us to save your uterus, we will. removing uterus with fibroids is a method of treatment, but not necessarily that's the only thing that we will offer to you. So I'm so glad of having such a complex problem. She underwent robotic surgery with us. 2 days she was home, and I think she's all ready to fly. That's really speaks volumes of the strength and the courage Anitta has, and we appreciate that from us. Thank you for being with us, Anitta.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Namaste.